Right, so today is wash day. Need to wash my personal car. It's absolutely filthy. I've left it a long time since the Sahara desert winds come over. So I thought I'd just do a little bit of a filming of this. It's absolutely minging. Unfortunately, I don't have a jet wash. I'm only limited to a hose, a bucket. But it's better than nothing. So we'll crack on, I suppose.
Myself away, away, away. I cause myself away, away. I cause myself
Now I've gave it a quick wash. I'm probably going to give it a little bit of a polish up. I'm going to go over the wheels. I'm going to let them soak in some wheel cleaner, and then finish. I don't know whether to use. I'm thinking about T-cutting a few areas, especially the bonnet. As you can see, it's gone a bit oxidised on the paintwork. I'm no detailer, but that's how I bought it. So I'm just giving the wheels a bit of a chemical clean. So I'm just using some Meguiar's Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. Changes colour when it starts eating into the iron fallout. You can see on the disc it sort of goes purple. So we'll just let that sort of soak in and do its thing. So I've just rinsed it off and cleaned it. It's not too bad. It's a lot better than it was. Ideally I need to take them off and do the inside of the barrels as well. But compared to this wheel, there's a lot of difference. I'd say that's a win-win. She looks cleaner. Cleaned the wheels up now, which I do think these wheels set the car off nicely. They're 19-inch MV4s. They're staggered fitment, which I really do like these wheels, but they are like chocolate. I've had the rears welded up a few times, which is not ideal. I mean, they did originally have run flats on them, so I took them off because they're a bit stiffer on the sidewall, and I put just normal tyres on them. But being they're so low profile, and the area that I live in, there's so many potholes, and it's just sometimes you cannot avoid them. But it's looking far cleaner, which I'm happy about. It's a 330D, which I think they're about 231 brake horsepower standard. I've had a few little modifications done on it. So it's an SE, which is a POV spec. Main things that I've done is put the wheels on it. I fitted the headlights, Angel eyes. I put in the black grille on the front. I fitted M4 style wing mirror covers. That's basically it on the external. Underneath it looks pretty basic, but you can't really see, but I've got a proper downpipe on it, so it's had a DPF delete, it's had swell flap delete, EGR delete, and it was tuned by a friend of a friend who owns a company called Velocity Tuning, and now he's the man for all your BMW tuning, not just BMWs. He does all German cars, but he specialises in M5s, M6s, and that's the F10 M5. He's currently developing a F90 M5, which is the four-wheel drive version, and he had the fastest M5 in the country, which was his F10. I think it was, in the end it was about 1100 brake horsepower. He got an average of 214 mile an hour on VMAX or velocity runway. So he really does know his stuff. I think we're all going out to Germany together in July. I'll get some footage of the car running. So now I'm just going around, putting a bit of polish around the car, just to give it a little bit more of a better finish, and hopefully it will repel the water and dirt for a little bit longer than just a hand wash. Hopefully it will reduce some of the swirls and scratches that have been embedded over the paintwork over time. I don't expect it to come up great, but it's better than just leaving it. I haven't polished it for over a year, so it's well worth having it done right now. Managed to give it a polish all round. So it's not come out too bad considering it's a daily car. It gets used to the boost, the kids in it. Basically this video was just more to try my new GoPro out. I upgraded to the GoPro Hero 10. Wanted to get my hands around it. I was using my phone before, and the sound quality wasn't great, the picture quality wasn't great, and it was just chewing up my memory up on my phone. Now, I know you guys probably expected a video to do with the Escort. I have got some footage that I've filmed recently, but I just need to do a little bit more. I'm also waiting for more panels to turn up, so I think I'll get another video of that next week. We've got big plans. I've booked a holiday to Germany for July, so about 30 of us are going to Germany in BMWs. And that we're going to go to the Nürburgring. We're going to have a bit of a look around there, walk around the track, around the outside of the track and everything. So that'll be some good footage for you guys. This is mainly just to try out the new GoPro. Let us know what you think. Cheers guys, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.